How's he been doing?
He's been doing better. His fever's been...
Huh?
He hasn't been having a fever.
Good.
It's just the cough and running nose.
Oh, yeah.
You got one of ours in your trunk?
No, I got it in the back seat.
Back seat, honey.
It's unlocked. I'll get it out.
No, he's pretty tired. He was up when I got home. I got home about...
What's up, Ben?
Come here, baby.
Uh-oh, you're gonna get busy now.
It's from him drinking a lot of juice. If he's drinking a lot of juice, it causes him to have diarrhea.
Uh-oh. Ready for some hot dogs?
No, you can hear it in his chest. It's
Man. Look at him walking around, huh?
Oh, buddy!
Benjamin. Random clips today. Can't even get good vlog footage. Why does he cry?
Okay, hand him me.
Oh, he's fine. It's just... Look at him. He's so angry. He's such an angry baby. Where you going, Ben? Oh, it's so sad. You can't be that tired. There's no, really don't look that
And we start
No,
with the
you
chewy
okay?
noises. Do it again, Chewy. Do it. Talk to Luke. Come on. No, it's Han. Talk to Han.